Hello! Now, today I am explaining how to do a jigsaw puzzle. Jigsaws are the attempt by the powerless to impose order on a chaotic universe. That, or they're a selection of funny shaped pieces that you fit together. Jigsaws are like bottles of tranquilizers. They make the same sound when you shake the packet. They calm your nerves. And generally, you won't finish the whole lot in one sitting unless you're very depressed. The standard jigsaw piece shape, with its combination of sad mouths and jug ears, is designed to restrict pieces to one precise location, so you can't just plonk them down and pretend that the final picture is supposed to look like a surrealist collage. Jigsaw pieces are designed to fit together snugly. The use of a hammer, glue, scissors, or any other household implement should suggest to you that that particular piece would probably be happier somewhere else. Once you get over 200 pieces, you're in serious jigsaw puzzle territory. 1,000 pieces will keep an average adult off the streets for 3 days, and a 5,000 piecer is the equivalent of a 30-day custodial sentence. Research shows that at any one moment in the UK, there are more people working on jigsaw puzzles than there are in the manufacturing industry. People get very retentive about their jigsaws. If someone has spent the last 4 years doing a 5,000 piecer of the Cumbrian skyline, the last thing they want is for you to wander by and slot in an odd seagull. It's not much fun doing the same jigsaw over and over. So you need a continual flow of fresh jigsaw puzzles. One important word of warning: never buy a jigsaw puzzle from a charity shop, as they always have at least 3 pieces missing. If you've ever wondered why you have a dining room table with 6 matching chairs when the combined total of your family and friends comes to well under that, it's because that's the only place in the house where you can do a jigsaw puzzle unmolested. One tip: make sure your table is actually bigger than the final jigsaw, or you'll have to do one of the edges on a separate side table, which won't impress anybody. The picture of the jigsaw affects the difficulty. Blue sky over empty sea is every jigsaw's worst nightmare, especially if for some reason the puzzle comes without any edge bits. Without any picture to go on, you have to test every bit in every position. which is the equivalent of the word of the Enigma code breakers in the Second World War. It's frightening to know that 2% of the population over 70 are currently engaged in work of this nature. Maybe they think what they're doing is of national importance. If it's keeping them off of crack cocaine, then maybe it is.